Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to complete this Train Shadow quest and unlock the new Dolphin in the Call of Whales event in Heartopia. So the good news is, it's actually very easy. Just talk to NPC Oliver and complete this Train Shadow quest. And if you are not sure how to start or finish this quest, I have linked a full guide in the descriptions below. And once you complete it, you will unlock the Dolphin Tooth area like this. It's located near Whalefall area, and this is where you can take care of your dolphin. And then next, just simply feed it with its favorite food. Its favorite foods are sardine, and then sea bass and scad. This one, you can use these three fish. And then after feeding your dolphin, you can also interact with it and enjoy the new feature added in this event. And okay, that's it. Maybe you can just try to unlock it and then just with the dolphin and just try to interact with this dolphin. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.